Good morning, good morning. This is Drew again with Dykes Services. We are at Outriggers Tiki Bar and Grill this morning in beautiful New Smyrna Beach. I'll have to give you a little shot of the view here. Always a good time to hang out by the water, check out the views and the boats. Come get some delicious grub and a great view. Now, how we clean. So for this one, this is our monthly maintenance cleaning, and so we do the outdoor patio area here. So the first thing we do, we come and get all the chairs lifted up, shift a little bit of furniture, fans, things of that nature, anything that we want to work around. And instead of bleach for this, this is not organic growth. So for this situation, you're dealing with more food grease and oils and things of that nature. You get a lot of the foot traffic that tracks around out of the doors and things like that. And so for this, we actually use a degreaser instead. We use Total Clean from Innovative Concrete Technology, which is just a good degreaser cleaner in general for situations like this. We also use this at Chick-fil-A's and basically any situation where there's the food grease or oils that we need to use a different product. As you can see, we've also got our spray cart here. We use this cart to spray all kinds of fun things, to be honest. It's originally we got it to spray paver sealer, but we spray sealer, we spray degreasers, acids for rust removal, all kinds of fun stuff. It's a great little piece of equipment for applying products. So after we go around and pre-treat everything, you can get a little quick shot of Mikey. Mikey's going around right now, surface cleaning all the surfaces. After we run the surface cleaner over it, we'll come back and give everything a good rinse. We'll come back, put all the chairs down, make sure essentially everything looks like we weren't even here. It just looks nice and squeaky clean, and that's why you join the wave.